Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a new video, which is a video about my shopping. I went to the works today and I bought many lovely products which I wanted to share with you because they are really nice and they are very cheap. So my first thing was that trim with butterflies. We have a few different things with butterflies today, and it was £1. It's really gorgeous. Then I found that metal embellishments, which are with the glasses as well. So you can print the image, stick on that metal piece, and then stick on the glass, and you will have a lovely embellishment. There are 4 sets in the pack, and they were £2. Another thing is that lovely frame, which is quite deep. The frame was £1, and I thought I'm going to embellish the inside, and lots of flowers will go in because it's deep, so it's really nice. Then we've got those mini fences. There are 4 fences in the pack, and they were £1 as well. They would be great for like fairy houses or for some mixed media projects, so I thought I'm going to buy them. And then we've got 2 wooden tags. These were £1. This is a very good size of the tag for me. They are not too thick and not too thin, so you can make mixed media on it for sure, and you can also cover it with the paper and make a card. But yeah, for £1, really good price. Then we've got those the wooden plaque. This is one piece for £1, but I really like that shape, so I thought that would be good. And then we've got butterflies, and I bought 3 packs of those butterflies in each color because these are really lovely. So I've got turquoise, cream, and pink, and they all have the gold printing on them as well. There are 32 butterflies in each pack, different sizes and different images. And what is really lovely about them, they are printed on the quite thick card. It didn't say on the pack what is the thickness, but they not too floppy, so I thought that this can be good for mixed media projects, for card making, for some home decor. And you can see the gold printing. These are just lovely. I think it's my my favorite product for today. So you can see it's plenty in the pack, and yeah, that's why I bought all 3 colors. Next we have wooden discs, which were £1, and there is few in the pack, different sizes, and they are quite thick. I just love them. This is like a bare wood which you could paint, you could probably stamp on it, you can add it as it is to your card or to your mixed media projects. So I got 1 pack of those and 1 pack of similar one which are a bit bigger, and this also got those the tree bark on you know, around. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, these are similar but a little bit different. So I thought I'm going to take both packs because these are really nice. I just love them. And then we've got a pack of wooden sticks, and there is 50 of them for £1. So I'm sure I will find some nice project you know, to use them for. Yeah, and then we've got wooden shapes. So I bought both packs. They were for £2 each, and there is 110 shapes in the pack. As you can see, different sizes again. These are not so thick, but really nice as well. Another item is make your own butterfly decoration. So it's like a stand with the plastic dome or whatever you call it, and it's got some cards inside with the butterflies, which are die cuts. So you can use the butterflies for your cards, or you can create a decoration like that. I'm sure I will create something different with it, and maybe I will use butterflies for a different thing as well. But it's really nice. So it's got that stand, and then you probably you will need to use a glue to attach that plastic dome. I don't know how you call it. Oh gosh. So in the pack we've got 3 cards with pre-cut butterflies, which like I said can be used for many different projects. The one of it is with the gold printing as well. So these are very nice. So now we have 2 parts of papers. These were £2 each, and they are 200 grams, so this is a thick paper, and I really love the designs. There were many different papers in the store. I just picked those 2, and these are lovely. So the first one is one-sided, and these are more shabby chic, very delicate, so for any romantic projects they will be perfect. And I will go through the both parts so you can see what the papers we've got inside. And as I said before, there were different in the store as well, but because I've got many papers already at home, I didn't buy, but there were big ones as well, 12 by 12, so I'm sure you will have something, you could find something for yourself there. And the works has got an online store as well. I will give you a link to it, so maybe you will have a look what they've got, because from time to time they've got really lovely craft products. Not everything is great, but I do shop there from time to time. And today, like, I am amazed with what I bought. Really lovely stuff. So so it's worth to check it. And another part is double-sided, and this is a world map. So we've got some maps, some stamps. Here we will have some tickets. I really like this. Both of those paper parts, very lovely, and the colors are nice. They are not too bright, which I like, vintage and shabby chic. So please let me know if you would like to see videos like that from time to time on my YouTube channel. And also I want to thank you very much for all the comments, and please let me also know what videos you would like to see, and I will try to do them. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy that, and have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.